just put the catalytic converter back on as part of de-escalating from track mode this winter. And why don't we just take a little look under the car here. We've got our R9K Edition PPE Headers here coming together at the last possible second. And then while I was putting this on, I went ahead and took care of another problem that's really been bugging me. It's the muffler was pointed a little diagonal, so unfortunately these custom exhaust, I guess, right? Everything's different. These are 13mm bolts, which is the only car I have with those. And then these are 15s, because like why make them the same? And then down here you got some more 15s. That was nice to have a break. So I loosened up everything to get that thing to point. So it's still pointed a little crooked, but it's almost straight down. That's really close. I'm pretty happy with it. I had some issues here with it getting enough clearance at this elbow. Really wanted to push up and touch that corner, but by loosening all the brackets together and jury rigging it that way, kind of holding it up with my leg and stuff, kind of nice. I think I'm really happy with this clearance and everything. Yeah, see, look at that. One weird thing I discovered down here was this thing rings like a bell. In certain, well, yeah, like that. That doesn't seem right. I need some kind of little piece of padding somewhere that's very heat proof. Maybe some of that, I can pack some of that exhaust wrap they make. Anyway, there's an update, give you a look under the car, and just celebrate the time. Got stuff less crooked. That's style. Alright folks, I am really excited about the result here. I did get the muffler pretty straight. Not 100%, like I said, real close. But the surprise is that it fixed the sound.